In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Behance QR code. First, open Behance on your desktop browser and log in. Once you are in, click your profile picture in the top corner and select View Profile. This takes you to your public profile page, which is what you want to share. At the top of the browser, highlight the full web address and copy it. That's your unique profile URL. Make sure you are on your profile and not a specific project. Unless your goal is to point people to that single project. Using your profile URL is a good default because it automatically showcases all your work in one place. Next, choose a QR code generator. You can use a popular tool like QR code generator or Adobe Express. Both are user-friendly and work right in your browser. Open the tool of your choice and look for the option to create a website or URL QR code when prompted. Paste the Behance link you just copied. You should immediately see a preview of your code, which confirms the link is correctly detected. Now, customize and download your code so it matches your branding and looks great wherever it appears. Most tools let you change the color, add a logo, or choose a style for the code's dots and corners. Keep readability in mind as you style it. Use strong contrast between the code and the background. Avoid overly light colors. And leave a clear margin around the edges, so scanners can detect it easily. If you add a logo, keep it small and centered, so it doesn't interfere with the pattern. When you are happy with the look, choose your file format. PNG is perfect for digital use, slide decks, and quick sharing. If you plan to print at larger sizes or want the crispest results, download an SVG for a scalable, high-quality graphic. Save the file with a clear name so you can find it later. That's it. Thanks for watching.